stable in the update. Stable in the update. Now we will see what changing it is. Here is Android 11 is coming. Yes, this is Android 11. The update is coming. Check the new what's new. New global stable. It don't have so much change, but at least something is different because it's new changing. That's why. Control center also changes one brightness. This one. From this we can swipe left and right. From this we can swipe the control center. So much smooth is changing. Control volume also changing. Style. Control volume is changing. It's much more better than before. See about what this simple. This one something change. Style. Lock screen. Lock screen not changing. Display. Dark mode. This one changing. Here only you can change dark mode or light mode. Change it doesn't take much time. Just click this one. It's nice. See about home screen. Icon size we can change here. Lock screen layout. Quite nice. Battery performance. That's all changing. No one, not much change. I just want to change control center. What about team checks about team? Not changing. It's only the same only. That's all. The sound lock screen also change. Change. It's much more better than before. Volume is change sound resolution also. Notification this one. Which one you like? Sound resolution. Sound you can change your ringtone, alarm notification, whatever you